Hello everyone, my name is Ranjit Bhosale and I'm working as an assistant professor at KIT's IMR MBA department Kolhapur. Today I'll be discussing about using certain mathematical formulas on Excel. We'll be discussing about count, count if, count A, count blank, sum if, average, median, minimum, maximum, standard deviation and variance. So how we are going to use these formulas? Basically for that you should have information on your spreadsheet. I have inserted random information for the purpose of a demo from product 1 to product 6, 3 months, Jan, Feb, March. So you can just include it accordingly. I have inserted random numbers on this cell. We'll start with the first formula, that is nothing but count. Why this count is used? It is because if you want to know how many cells are having numerical information, and if there are n number of things, n number of cells with numerical information, and you just want the count and not the total, you can go with this formula. So if I want to see how many cells are having this information, what I'll do, I'll just type equal to count, and I'll just select the formula and the cells. Okay, and then I'll click enter, and there are 6 cells. Similarly, I'll just select few of them. Again, I'll just delete this, equal to count formula, and I'll select the cells and then enter. So these are the 18 cells. Okay, 6 into 3, 18. Okay, so here we have just included in which cells the information is included. Okay, I'll do it once again, equal to sign count and selecting all the cells. Okay, and 18. Now if you'll see over here, there are actually 24 cells, but only 18 has been counted. The reason for this is only the numerical information has been counted. Are you getting it? So the numerical information in which cell has been included, only those cells are been counted. Okay, and for that this count formula has been used. Count if is, let's say if you want to have some criterias, so we can go with the count if formula. I'll tell you how to do with this. Type equal to count, count if formula, select the cells, comma, inverted commas. My criteria will be less than 20, and again inverted commas, enter. So less than 20. Okay, and that is nothing but there are only four. Yeah, only 4 cells. Okay, which do not have less than, I think I inserted more than 20. Yeah. Okay, so this is how you can just count with the criterias. Let us move towards the next part, that is nothing but count A. Here you are going to uh, see what exactly is count A. I'll just type count A. Okay, sorry, equal to count A, and then just select the cells. Yeah, so there are only 5 cells, okay, in which some information has been included. This cell is a blank. Are you getting it? Similarly, I'll do it once again. Okay, so the blank cells won't be counted over here. Equal to sign count A, and I'll select these cells. So there are total 22 cells in which some or other information has been included. Okay, accordingly, so we just selected these 24 cells, and 2 cells are not included. Okay, so this is how count A is been used. Count blank, so from the name itself you will come to know what exactly this is. How many are blank cells? So again, same thing, count blank, and then select the cells, enter. So there is only 1 cell which is blank in the selected cells. Okay, now we know what is sum, it's nothing but total. Okay, so we can go with this formula directly as auto sum, and then the total will be included, but you do not want this figure below this cell itself. Okay, so what we can do, I'll just go with the formula. Let's say I want somewhere over here. Okay, this information, total of this information over here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just type equal to sum, and this cells are been selected and enter. So the total of these numbers have came over here. So this is the function of summations. You can go with the totals. Now there is another formula called as sum if. Okay, so sum if is nothing but again, uh, you can put criteria. I'll put it over here, equal to sign sum if function. I'll select the range, comma, inverted commas, uh, more than 20. Sorry, and then again I just forgot the inverted commas again, and then 22. Okay, so this is nothing but which are less than 20. Okay, only there are only two figures and 22 answer is coming. Okay, these are been not counted. Okay, these are been not taken into totals. Okay, so this is for the sum if. The next one is average formula. If I'll just select all these things and I want to calculate average, so what I'll do, I'll just go to one cell, equal to sign average. I'll just type average and select the cells, and then I'll just enter it, and then average is coming over here. Okay, I'll delete it. I'll insert more cells, average, and then I'll select these cells and enter. So 37.8 is the average of these cells. Okay, so if you just click on the cell, you will come to know the cell addresses from I4. Okay, I4 till K8. I4, this is I4, I and 4 till K8. Okay, this was the range been selected, and it is the average. This is the average of this range. Okay, it's as easy as that. You can just go with the clicks. If you know the formulas, this is very easy for you. If you want to calculate medium, select. Okay, I'll just show it. Select any kind of cell, any cell, equal to sign median, selecting the cells, enter, and the median is 38. Similarly, if you want to see which is the maximum minimum value, okay, let's go with the different cell, equal to minimum, and I'll just select all these figures. 10 is the minimum value in the all the cells which were selected. Maximum value, I'll just select from this. Okay, I'll just keep it over here, equal to max, and I'll select these cells. Okay, okay, and 32 is the most largest value. Okay, biggest value or maximum value. Are you getting it? It's as simple as that. Okay, similarly, if you want to go with the standard deviation, I can go with standard. I'll just go to some cell, equal to sign standard deviation, and range. Yeah, so this is the standard deviation of this range. Okay, this is the standard deviation of M3 to M7, M3 to M3 to M7. Okay, it's as simple as that. Similarly, if you want to go with variance, select equal to sign variance. Okay, and then just select the cells, enter, and then variance is coming. Okay, and it is very useful for you considering your employability, and that is the reason why we have discussed using these formulas. Okay, the most common formulas used over here is summations. You can just use summations, the average. You can go with summations with the criteria. You can find the minimum and maximum numbers, medians. Okay, these are most important formulas and commonly used formulas which we can use in the field of finance, which we can use in the field of HR. Okay, in the marketing for sales. Okay, these formulas are very much important where you have big figures. Okay, to make your work bit simpler, try to use these formulas and go with increasing your employability skills. Thank you.